What? No gestures.
No gestures, right? Okay. Yan. Life-size version.
What's the cow's teeth?
Life-size version.
Int is fling.
Yeah, seryoso ako. Life-size version. She got it kanina, di ba?
A cow's teeth?
What?
Why are you gesturing?
She doesn't know what it's called, eh?
She knows what it's called.
Yeah, you should know that word.
Tama ka na dun, but just what to call it.
Keep squeezing.
Cow's teeth.
Yeah, what's it called, you know? See?
Stop squishing the teeth.
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. The word is other.
Sorry.